Hi, I'm Ilan. I'm the sales manager here at Flat Rate Moving, and today we're going to talk about long distance moves. Tip number 1 regarding your delivery window: always make sure you get a delivery time frame so you know exactly when your items will be arriving at the destination. We call it a guaranteed delivery window. Tip number 2 is know your options when it comes to long distance moves. You can do a consolidated move, you can do express, direct. There's many options available for you. Tip number 3 is also the way we pack things. Know the packing materials you need for long distance moves, the quality of the materials, the quality of the services we offer. So there's a lot of things that involve long distance moves that we can provide for you here at Flat Rate Moving. Tip number 4 is how we declutter things, make things, have less items. The less items you move, obviously it reduces the cost. So by decluttering your items of what doesn't need to move across country, definitely helps reducing the cost. Tip number 5, and that's probably the most important tip when it comes to long distance move, is getting a guaranteed price for your long distance moves. It would be great to know exactly how much you're paying from the get-go when you're doing your long distance move to Florida or California. You know what the services you're getting, you know how much everything costs. So it just puts you at ease without any surprises or stress. And that's a very, very important tip. So next time you need to move long distance, call Flat Rate Moving and we'll be right there with you.